Hello and welcome to another learning to cook video, and today I'm going to be making a pasta bake for the first time. A tuna pasta bake. Well, technically I made macaroni cheese, which I did put in the oven for a bit at the end, but it's quite similar to that actually. But this is called a tuna pasta bake by someone on the Jamie Oliver channel. I've forgotten her name now and I just looked at it. But I'll put the link to that video down below. So if you're interested to see the original, and I highly recommend that you do, because you're unlikely to find anything exceptional over on this end, then anyway, here's our ingredients: an onion, pepper, garlic, chili flakes, tuna, and tomato in tins, and penne pasta, and salt, and some basil. As you can see, my chopping board got split into 3 pieces. Well, the third piece I'm not sure where it is, but anyway, it got split after putting it into the sink under some hot water, and it came apart. But anyway, let's get started. We need to preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius, I think. Here we are. Right. Now, I don't think I'm going to get this right, honestly, but let's just see. Cutting it through the root. Okay. Which side should I use? Don't know. Alright. This is not going to go well. Wow. By the way, I have the water boiling there. It's not quite boiling, but it's on the high heat. Alright. It hasn't fallen apart yet. Maybe I won't push my knife. Now chop it this way. My knife isn't the sharpest, the biggest, but okay, I really need a big knife, I think. Oh. This is where it falls apart. Okay, that was not easy. I can't get a grip on it. Don't want to cut myself. Pour in our 500 grams of pasta now. I forgot to add water. No, not water, salt. Oops. Now I need something to stir. There we are. Oops. Those I have aren't exactly fat, but we'll see. In our pan goes some olive oil. And I'm going to put in the do I need more here? I'm going to put in now the garlic and the onions. goes in a pinch of chili flakes. I'm not sure if that's enough or not, but there we go. I was worried I was going to get a bit too smoky earlier, but it seems okay now after I added a few more drops of olive oil. Now I'm not sure how we're supposed to know if it's sweet or not. I'm just going to wait until it gets a bit brown, I guess. That part wasn't exactly right. Now I'm going to add my 3 cans of chopped tomatoes. Wow. No, wait. No, wait. No. This was peeled plum tomatoes, not chopped tomatoes. I got the wrong thing. Well, okay, maybe I can just mash it up. I got the plum tomatoes, not the chopped tomatoes. Honestly, it shouldn't make too much difference, should it? I don't know. Hopefully not. I'll just mash it up. There's going to be a lot of sauce. Okay, in goes our next one. No wonder it was taking so long to get out. Massive blobs. Ah! Wow. And squash you up. Is another can even going to fit in the pan? And I've still got another to go. So, wow, completely filled up. Is there even room to stir it? Okay, no. Now to add a handful of basil leaves. Here we are. Wow. Should I have cut them up a bit more? I'm not sure. Didn't look like she did, really. Is this really going to make any difference to the taste, these basil leaves? Oh, overflowing. Good to drain this pasta. In the video, she's not even up to the pasta yet, but mine's done already, so. I already had the, oh, that's why you should stir, otherwise you end up stuck to the bottom. I'm supposed to simmer this for 20 minutes and then add tuna. I have no idea how the tuna is going to fit in here, to be honest. Okay, this has been simmering for 20 minutes. Although I just had to take it off and put it back on again because my phone went dead, so and I had 20 minutes to charge it, but I didn't realise, I forgot that the battery was low, so herein goes the tuna. Oh yeah, and I've transferred the sauce to the big pan, so everything fits. That's that. Oops. And going to add some pepper. silk. Where's the silk gone? Ah. Now I'm going to add in the pasta, which has been in the colander for I think too long. But it's going kind of hard now. Wow. Okay. That's not great. That's not great. Oh. Oh gosh. This is why she drained the pasta last. Wow. I'm sure it will work out. Sauce doesn't look very, like it's coating it. You know, it doesn't look like there's a lot of sauce in comparison. But this is 500 grams of pasta, like she said in the video. But maybe it's all stuck at the bottom as well. So I'm going to transfer this to a bake-proof dish. Here we are. I'm just going to sprinkle cheddar all over it. I managed to get it in quite snugly. But again, it's hasn't quite covered everything, but not as bad as I thought. Now this cheese is actually pretty cold. It's been in the back of the fridge for quite some time. I probably should have taken it out first. But here we go. Hopefully, you know, this is just for me, so this is hopefully going to last a few meal times. I'm going to make a mess of this cheese now. But I think it's important to get it, oh wow, all across the edges too. Here we are. I ended up using the whole bag of cheese, 200 grams of cheese all over. And I don't think I have any baby basil leaves, but I could always crunch them. I do have a few baby basil leaves which look like they're a bit off, but that's okay. I don't mind that. I don't know how to make it look. Like that. Do I put them all in the middle? Do I spread them out? I have no clue. Well, this one's not little exactly, so I'll take that one out. There, how about that? In the oven for 15 minutes. So here is the great reveal. Looks pretty good, I would say. And let's get this out, shall we? Oh, look how much mess I've made. This wasn't even my worktop either. I'm gonna put this down. I only got it out right now. Okay, I think that's good enough. Hopefully my phone didn't fall in. Oops. And here is just a plate. Oh wait, I need a fork. Stay there. And let's try it. Yep, tastes like pasta. Tastes like tuna. It tastes okay. You know, I forgot to add the extra pepper and olive oil at the end before putting it into the oven, but it's alright. It doesn't taste bad. Maybe it could do with a bit more seasoning, so I don't know. I'm not sure what difference the baking actually makes. Other than for the cheese, of course. You know, I think this is a satisfactory end. Not the greatest pasta I've ever tasted, but you know, it's worth the effort, I would say. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll get into more complicated things again. Wow, the most complicated thing I've made so far is probably the macaroni cheese, and that's probably pretty basic in itself, so we'll see. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again. Goodbye.